So good morning students again. Let us solve one more numerical from unit number 1. A centrifugal pump is to be used for lifting 200 liters of water per minute through a height of 19 meter to an overhead tank the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube if the pump is driven by 0.735 kilowatt 2880 rpm electric motor calculate first the centrifugal pump power second the efficiency of the pump centrifugal pump. Okay, so let us solve this particular numerical, but prior to that let's read the problem statement first. A centrifugal pump is to be used for lifting 200 liters of water per minute through a height of 19 meter to an overhead tank. The density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube if the pump is driven by 0.735 kilowatt 2880 rpm electric motor. Calculate the centrifugal pump power and the efficiency of the centrifugal pump. So let us write down the given data first. Q will be equals to 200 liters per minute, which will be equals to 200 divided by 60 will be the liters per second, isn't it? And if this will be equals to liters per second and 200 divided by 60 into 10 raised to 3, it will be meter cube per second. Okay, so if you calculate this, Q will be equals to 200 divided by 60 into 1 exponential 3, so 33.33 into 10 raised to 3, 3.33 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per second. That is what is the Q. Then H is given as 19 meters. ठीक है. Then rho is given as 1000 kg meter cube. Rho is nothing but the density. Then power pump is driven, okay, or the wattage of the pump is given as 0.735 kilowatt, and RPM is given as 2880 RPM. Okay, so we know that power output will be equals to rho into G into Q into H. So rho is nothing but the 1000, G is nothing but the gravitational acceleration, which is 9.81, Q is nothing but the 3.33 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 19. So the answer will be equals to 1000 into 9.81 into 3.33 into 1 exponential minus 3 into 19. So the answer is 620.67 kilowatt. 620.67 watt. If we convert this into the kilowatt, will be equals to 0.62067 kilowatt. So this is what is the power output or the power of an pump. Now if we calculate the efficiency of the centrifugal pump, efficiency of centrifugal pump, efficiency will be equals to power output upon power input. So output is 0.62067 divided by power input is 0.735 kilowatt, both are in kilowatt, multiplied by 100. So the efficiency will come around 0.62067 divided by 0.735 into 100. So 84.44 percentage is what is the efficiency obtained for the centrifugal pump. So I hope you might have understood this particular problem. That's it for this particular video. Thank you so much. All the best.